Hey, today we had some video planned, but it got canceled because of the snow. So today, we are just going to old-fashioned daily vlog. We're about to go get some sick drone shots. Hopefully the drone does well in the snow. Foreman isn't joining because the bridge probably wouldn't be able to hold him. There's like a 2-ton limit on it. While we're about to get some sick drone shots. Oh, hey.
That's crazy. I don't know if we'll be able to see anything.
See, winter's so much more bearable when it's like this.
Yeah. And it's beautiful.
Yeah.
I would prefer rainy and gray and gross. Do you think the canal's frozen?
Looks like it is.
One way to find out.
Nah, bro. Because if we fall through that, that's not even just like dangerous water. It's like still water.
Go, Sean. Yeah, it looks like you're getting ready to poop.
I've never flown this bad boy in the snow. And we're going to find out today how well it does in the snow. I'm bringing a fucking towel next time.
Can you see the screen at all or not?
Yeah.
There it goes, dude. Free at last.
It's pretty fucking sick. Not gonna lie. Look at that bad boy, dude. I'm gonna get it above the wires. Okay.
What was that?
The snow kept touching my phone screen and melting, and I click on something, and then the drone goes, oh, you wanted me to land right here? Right above that are a bunch of live electrical wires. Fuck. Where is it, dude? So I keep trying to cancel it, and it just will not work. Stop auto-landing. It'd be sick if there's a feature that was like beep annoying as fuck.
I think I figured that out for you.
So what I ended up doing was just blowing as much as I can, pause, on the phone.
Yeah.
Let's go.
What up, little guy?
Oh, my hands. Dude, I couldn't grip it. My hands are so cold. Let's go. It made it out alive. Why were you auto-landing? It does work in the snow. Let's try again. I think my left joystick just wasn't working for a minute, and I was like, okay, I can't lower this bitch at all. Oh, hopefully the shot looks great.
I got faith.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, let us know if the shot looked great, guys.
Yeah,
right? You're about to see it right now.
Dude, they saw it like so long ago.
Oh, you guys aren't gonna tell us that you saw it? Kind of fucked up. Yeah, dump it in.
Oh, yeah.
What are you at right now?
3 and now on the quarter.
Now, yeast. I'm gonna do no kneading just because I saw one dude do a recipe like that. So instead of like folding it over like for 5 to 10 minutes, I'd be like fold, put right in. Because also like, I feel like it'll be more like airy. Just form it into like a ball.
I want to touch it with my hand, dude. Dude, feels good.
Now, try to get a bunch of the flour off.
We make a little design in it?
Yeah.
And maybe like a little smiley face over here.
And now, the secret ingredient. Can you grab an ice cube for me?
Dude.
Dude, look at that. Good ass color on it, bro. Dude, the bottom looks hype.
Ow! Steaming. I had to go to the podcast studio today to get my podcast clips analyzed and judged. I get a lot of judgment on my podcast clips. Is some of it justified? Absolutely. Like editing errors, or it had terrible audio, like real things. But I'm getting a lot of heat for things I think are pretty fire. All right. Just left. Then I get picked up by Kevin Borman so we can go to Target to buy a bunch of creator products because we want to make a video trying creator products. Mr. Beast's chocolate bar, Prime.
Damn right, $5.
We think about buying Emma Chamberlain's like matcha, and then it was overpriced, and we were like, screw that.
$22?
Damn.
Yeah, that's not happening.
Out of stock. Oh.
Out of stock.
They didn't have Lunchly. Shocker. I filmed another part for a future video of this ugly, horrible Soviet building, but that's like a whole nother video for another day.
Dude, we just picked up the Freakstables bar, huge. We didn't get the ones that he gave me in person because those are sacred and they're hung up on my wall so I can always remember meeting the boy. But we have this milk chocolate flavor that I'm not gonna try, but I met the guy himself. Haven't washed my hands since I, you know.
Have you guys ever actually watched Always Sunny?
Nah. I've seen like highlights, like clips. I've seen like Charlie Day funniest moments, but that's about it. good.
I haven't watched any. I think the most clips I've seen is like 2.
You also haven't seen Rocky though.
I haven't either.
Okay, I would say that's probably way worse.
The highlights are funny though.
I use all of their music.
Good music.
Great music, dude.
Some would say it's better in our videos than their show.
I would say that. I will say we do need a Danny DeVito. I mean, we like.
Yeah, Sean's similar.
You have a similar build, just not similar humor. We need someone like
Yeah,
funny.
Funny and like in better shape.
Can you run me over, please?
The search continues. Comment
you're
down below if
free-
you have a Danny DeVito of your own.
Yo, comment down below if you're 5'1" and want to be in our videos and built like Danny DeVito.
We've lived.
Yo, quick question, mailman. Yeah, who'd you vote for?